Hello bikers and babes, it's Rick Starter Gonzalez with another how-to video. Today I'm going to install vinyl lettering on my tailgate for the F-150. So I got these vinyl letters on eBay for about 15 bucks. Now these are vinyl, they're not raised. So I'm a little disappointed in that because I realize that these are embossed and they're gonna be a little hard to line up. But let's see how it goes. I cleaned the lettering with some Windex. Make sure I get all that grime off of there. Get it nice and dry. Alright. This is number 6 of my 2020 F-150 mod series. I did the dash and the number 1 off camera to figure out my method. These decals are a little difficult to peel off because you have nothing to hold it with. So what I'm doing is I'm bending it here just to have a little bit. And once I put it, they'll tack it down. And then I'll go as straight as I can. See how it goes. I wanted the raised lettered ones, but nobody had them in blue. Okay. All right, now the F. I wish the color was more the Ford blue, but I think it looks pretty good. I am a Dallas Cowboy fan, so silver and blue goes together just fine. I know it's not the raised lettering, but this is number 6 of my 2020 F-150 mod series. So what do you think? Is it silly? Does it look nice? Does it look like crap? Let me know in the comments. If you like this content, punch that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and as always, Keep on trucking, and God bless you.